Decorative Papers, and my name is Presha. So guys, let's see the materials we need. So we need some papers. You can take however you want. Acrylic paints and brushes too. Black sketch pen and coloring sketch pens. Scissors, double-sided tape, and you can also use Fevistick or Fevicol instead of this. Okay, so we just need these things and we are going to make that. So guys, while we're waiting, let's
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street. It stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold.
here our drawing completes, and if you like the drawing, not drawing but the shading and the design, if you like them, so please like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel Creativity with Presha.